Welcome back to our channel. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the topic of community pharmacy. In that, we will discuss what is the definition and what are the scope and what are the different functions of the community pharmacy. First, we will see what is the definition of community pharmacy. It is the place which is under the direct supervision of the pharmacist, where the pharmacy practice occurs. Here, what is the definition? Here, it is the place which is under direct supervision of pharmacist. Okay, where pharmacy practice occurs. We will discuss the another definition for the community pharmacy, which is the place where the prescription orders are the compounded and dispensed other than the hospital pharmacy. It is the place where prescription orders are compounded and dispensed other than hospital pharmacy, known as community pharmacy. Here, community pharmacy contains the retail store where the drugs are stored and dispensed. Here, community pharmacy contains retail stores where drugs are stored and dispensed. We will see what is the scope of the community pharmacy. What is the scope of community pharmacy? Okay, so the first important scope is that it provides the advancement in research and technology. First one, advancement in research and technology. For example, in case of new drug development, in market. And second one is that prevention of the disease and provide the effective medicines to the community. Means here the second one is that prevention of disease and provide effective drugs. Okay, we will see the next one. Patient care. In case of the patient care, the community pharmacist may suggest to the patient while the usage of the drug, and he may suggest the directions of the usage of the drug, means route of the drug administration. We will see the another important one is that next one, processing of prescription. In that, the pharmacist mainly focus on the safety of the drug to the patient. He may also suggest the directions for the usage. And next important thing is that choose of alternative medicine. In most of the countries, the pharmacist may choose the traditional medicines, and also in some cases the pharmacist may dispense the homeopathic prescriptions also. And next important thing is that advisory function. Advisory, okay. The community pharmacist means the community pharmacist function not only advising of the drug, may also involving the supplying of the medicines to the patient, those who are elderly and those who are suffering from the long term diseases. And next one, drug monitoring. In most of the community pharmacists, they may practice as the research projects. So in most of the community pharmacists, they may practice as the research project, and they may analyze the prescription for monitoring the ADR. So, and the next important thing is that plays important role in the clinical pharmacy. Right, we will discuss the roles and responsibilities of the community pharmacist. What is that? Next one is the roles and responsibilities of community pharmacist. So here the community pharmacist may perform the different functions. In that the first one is that the first important function of the community pharmacy is that dispensing of the drugs to the means dispensing of the prescription drugs to the patient. What is the first one? The first one is that dispensing of prescription drugs to the patient. Okay. Second function of the community pharmacist is that checking the dosage and ensuring the dispensing of the correct safe dose. And what is this here? What is the one? It is the checking of dosage and dispensing of and ensuring the dispensing of correct safe dose supply. Next important thing is that maintenance of records for the controlled drugs for the purpose of stock and legality. Here maintenance of records for the controlled drugs for the purpose of legal and for the purpose of stock. Okay, we will see the another one is that selling of OTC drugs, means here what selling of over the counter drugs. And next important thing is that advising to the patient while usage of the drugs which may causes any adverse effect. Here advising to the patients while usage of the drugs which may causes any adverse effect, which causes any adverse effects. Okay, and the next important thing is that facilitate the checking of the blood pressure and the cholesterol level, means facilitate the checking of blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Next we will see the another important thing is that may facilitate the screening service of of diabetes. Okay, later we will see the another important function of the community pharmacy is that here managing, supervising and training to the pharmacy supporting staff. So these are the different roles and responsibilities of the community pharmacist in the community pharmacy.